All right, go for it. Just walk and look at each other. You can walk a little bit faster. And look to your right. And look up to the sky. Get on the phone too, Hector. Look up to your right, to the sky. All right, and then face each other. You can stop and face each other. Yeah, face each other. Hold hands and face each other.
Yeah, kind of do that. Awesome. All right, and then go for the kiss. That was good. Let's do it one more time. You want to get a shot too?
Yeah,
one more. All right, one more.
Right, do that again. I'm gonna do a 360. And then just look at each other.
Holy, that's so cool.
Wow, that's a freaking awesome shot.
Oh, add some more movement on that.
Do you think I should be standing? I feel like I'm not standing straight.
So add more hand movements
And
while
then
you're
at
kissing.
the end, after I kissed her, like he was saying, just like play with her hair.
Yeah,
Push
that
her
looks
hair
good.
back like that.
3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, go. All right, kiss her hand. And then just look at each other and smile. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
That one looks good.
That's good here.
135 looks really good.
You want to get some more close-up shots? Over there looks pretty cool.
The stairs, right?
Yeah.
Do you guys edit stuff out of like videos? Is that possible?
Okay, go ahead.
Ooh, okay, so I'll probably have them walk this way. So let me have you guys walk in the middle, hold hands and walk straight. And I'm gonna use this as foreground. Kind of stay in this area.
Indian way.
Go ahead. I think it looks better with a tighter lens. Maybe a 100.
It does, yeah.
Face the other way, so your side profile is towards me. Yeah, like that. Hold hands after. So you're gonna slide it all the way down from the top of his neck to his hand. And look at each other, smile. Smile. And then put your foreheads together. And then just look up with your eyes. And smile. Look at the camera. And look at each other. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's do that again. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, kiss.
And action. Okay, cut.
Start walking. And just hold hands. Okay, Lena, look at my camera and smile. Look straight, and then you're gonna look back at. Okay, ready? Go for it. Do that again. I'll let you know when. Okay, start walking, and then look back. Switch sides. right, we're good.
I vow to always be the person that you fell in love with. I vow that when you are old and our memories are hidden behind our wrinkles, I promise to trace every single line on your face so that we can relive all our beautiful memories together again. My once-in-a-lifetime love, I vow to love you for all the days of my life.
I need your love, but I can't be the only one. Can't be alone. Can't you see we're falling now? I need your love, but I can't be the only one. Can't be alone. Can't you see we're falling? I need you. I need to believe you. I need you. I need to